Good morning, good morning, good morning. These are the most comfortable braids I've ever placed in my hair. No tension. I did it last night before going to bed. I think I am going to put on a hat, and I may let you see me in my hat, but I'm not taking these out today. And I wanted to come and just say good morning to you. I think I'm going to have fun doing Vlogmas. I think in the previous years I've been overthinking it, but we'll see, because I am that person that will go over and above. But I'm going to try to let these Vlogmas videos flow smoothly in my mind and show you exactly some of the things that I've been doing in my life. Because yesterday was so much fun, and that I went out with my niece. I had to pick her up from getting her car service, so we just did something a little bit different, and I really enjoyed it. And I want you to continue to watch so you can just see a little bit of our experience. I also want to say thank you to my subscribers. I did tell you that I'd be in your face every day throughout the month. I think until December 24th. We'll see. But that's what I'm striving for. And I want you to hold me accountable. And if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and click the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll know every time I upload a video. So I'm going to get ready to leave out. I'm going to show you my outfit of the day at some point during this video. And yeah, have a great day. We had issues?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
We had issues.
Okay.
She wasn't going to be seen.
I'm down this aisle because you like things like this. Okay. Okay. I'll go back down the pocketbook aisle. What's that? Is that a glass or is that?
Oh, yeah.
Is it a glass though?
Mm-hmm.
That glass is too big. Let me see it. Nobody will drink this much wine. I don't care. That's a nice. Thank you. These look good. Though I don't have anywhere that I would put these kinds of things. I remember when if there was a diffuser, I would buy it. Right here. Not now. You ate the M&M popcorn? How was it? Okay. It's like, I don't want to waste my calories on these kind of things. You know, I gotta watch my figure. Oh. So that's not cookies. Is this batter and not cookies? It says batter. No. Okay. Now I would buy those coconut patties.
Mm-hmm.
What are you gonna do now? Send it to Natalie, make Natalie feel bad. Cranberry healthy mix.
Yeah, a couple weeks ago.
So you didn't know this place was here?
Yeah, I went to I don't go to Aloe to get my phone accessories with her.
Uh-huh.
I didn't. That's all. When you pulled up, I'm like, huh?
I don't know how long it's been here, but it was warm to me when it opened.
No, because over there, unless they didn't have the sign out yet. But
No, the sign was there. This is interesting.
Right.
Oh my goodness, I didn't see they had a whole thing up here of coffee, latte flavors. Oh my, sugar cookies. I'm gonna buy you some shoes. Let me show you the shoes I'm buying for you. Somebody else might be offended when I say this, but somebody gonna like these. These ruby red slippers, girl. You could be Dorothy. I just want you to know that this is for a video that I am working on, because I've been talking about and thinking about cutting my hair. So yeah, and I've been thinking about cutting my hair right about maybe here. Yeah, that's what I've been thinking about. Let me see your face again. And you being my niece, what you think matters. What do you think about it?
This is very hard. But right about where?
Right about, I guess, right here, maybe?
Put it to your face. You see? Left. Put the left to your face.
Do what?
Like put the left to your face.
Oh, my hair? Just to see how long it is now?
No, to see where it's going to be cut at.
Oh, let me see.
You're pulling it away when you do it. So
Oh, but put it down?
Yeah.
So, if I do it like this, that's too much?
What did your husband say?
I didn't ask him yet.
I want you to ask him. When Uncle Charles tells you what to do. Yeah, I'll wait on that response.
And you keep looking at me funny since I asked you this, but it's going to be all right either way. Okay.
I want to see you do it.
I don't know. I'm good. I don't know if I'm going to say that I particularly like this store. There's a lot of variety of things, but nothing jumps out at me right now. But I certainly just wanted to come in and check it out. I've checked it out.
What cards?
No. That I could use to organize something. I didn't see anything in here. I'm gonna check the price of this. I think that's a tablecloth. Found a Patricia Nash in here. Let's see if it got Patricia Nash price. $79.99. Not so bad. There's a lot of dupes in here though. Y'all know what dupes are. Don't act like you don't know what dupes are. You got some yourself. Like this one back here is a dupe for Brahmin. And it is $29.99. It's by Alyssa. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. This is cute. $129.99. It's cute. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. And if you think about it, He's been good to you as well. Have a great day.